Welcome back. In news overseas, U.S. President Donald Trump is set to make a primetime speech tonight about the war with Iran amid criticism over the objectives of the operation. Meanwhile, Iran's foreign ministry says Trump's claim that the country had asked for a ceasefire is, quote, false and baseless. Earlier this, in a Truth Social post, the U.S. president said Iran's new regime president had made the request, but he didn't clarify who he was referring to. Trump said the U.S. would consider a ceasefire when the Strait of Hormuz is open, free, and clear. He says until then, they're blasting Iran into oblivion, or as they say, back to the Stone Ages. The president also says he's considering taking the U.S. out of NATO over what he says is a lack of help from other alliance members in the Middle East, but an act passed in 2023 means it would not be straightforward. That's you.
That's you.
It is.
Okay. And the Primetime News package continues with sports right after this break.